Hello, here I have the Advent calendar for 2025. It's in a tiny little box. I mean, a very, very tiny little box. It's the World War II aircraft box. And it weighs 18 centimeters by 26 centimeters, and I have no expectations that this is going to be anything but a fake. So there we go, pretty plain, roughly printed cover, cheap printed sides, identical artwork that's on the back, nothing on the ends. Let's take it out. These are the aircrafts all wrapped up in film, and well, these definitely ain't no models, ain't little figures. These are little flat things with aircraft printed on them. Not even very well printed on it. Supposed to be high quality prints, but anything but. Warhawk. Go there. Spitfire. Definitely don't buy it.